Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Walmart app to find items in store. So make sure you will be just visit the website of walmart.com and you will have logged in. And example, you will be just finding any of item. I will be just tapping this Easter, and from here there are some teddies, and if I want to just tap on it this one, and first of all you will be just have to add to cart, and from here you will see the option is shipping, pickup or delivery. So if I just tap on it to change it, and from here you will be just enter your zip code by verifying your store it is item available or not. So if I just tap on it any of zip code of your country city, so it will be just show me the example. So I will be just put it the Manchester, England city. So it will be just save this address, and now you will be just pick up on the store, but right now it will be not available in my region. So you will also shipping and delivery. So in this way you will just use Walmart app to find items in store. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.